Hi there, students. Urbane, an adjective. Urbanely. So urbane means polite, refined, courteous, debonair, that's a good word. So polished and polite in manner. Confident and comfortable in social situations. He was a kind, generous and urbane gentleman. Yeah? Cosmopolitan. He had an urbane way about him. Let's see, in this world we live in, we have urban, which from the city, urbs, and we have rural. And I think many people think that anything rural is not very refined, it's rather crude, whereas people in the cities are very refined, sophisticated and cosmopolitan. And therefore urbane is talking about, as you might expect from refined, polished, elegant city people. And this is the idea of urbane. Don't confuse this with urban, because the word urban just means of the city. Yeah, but urbane, civilized, cultivated, cultured, refined, well bred. Well, that's the idea of urbane. Yes, she was an urbane, wealthy lady. Yeah, if you're urbane, you have understanding of the world, you have experience and confidence. Yeah, urbane manners. Yeah, his urbane conversation, or even the urbane pleasures of going to the opera or things like that. So the opposite of rural, yeah, urbane, refined, a refined city slicker is what is a person that I would define as urbane. So yes, an urbane aristocrat. He comes from an urbane and wealthy family. He's not a provincial yokel, yeah? He's an urbane gentleman. I think many people migrate from the country to the city with the idea of becoming more urbane, yeah? His urbane manner of speaking, his urbane accent, his urbane way of treating people. Okay, so urbane living, not country living. So, as I said, this comes from Latin, from urbs, meaning a city. So, city-like, but don't confuse it with urban, because urbane is about manners and dealing with people. How formal is this? I think I'd probably give it a 7 in formality, 6.5 to 7. Let's see, in an informal conversation I would recommend you use the word refined or something like that. Urbane, yeah, use it for a semi-formal or formal writing. A good adjective to describe a person if you're asked to describe someone. So urbane, a city slicker who has all the polish, who's educated and refined, not a country bumpkin or a yokel. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Urbane.